Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, my name's Pamela and I like to share deliciously easy plant-based recipes. So if those are the types of videos that you like, be sure to stick around. Today I've got another what I eat in a day, bright line eating style. All of these recipes are based on their weight loss plan. And these aren't just any recipes. These are my favorites. These are, well, three of my favorites. They make it into my meal plan over and over and over again, and I never seem to get sick of them. They just are so, so good. So let's go ahead and jump right in.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
All right, so this breakfast has not changed pretty much in the 3 years that I've been doing Bright Line Eating. This has been my go-to breakfast. I eat it just about every day. It's a blueberry oatmeal. Some of the things have changed, like the nuts all change, or the flavorings will change, but it's pretty much oatmeal. I have oatmeal just about every morning. Sometimes I'll switch it up and I'll have like Ezekiel toast or things like that, but I always come back to oatmeal. This particular day, I'm having a lemon blueberry oatmeal, and I've got 2 ounces of bananas. That makes it pretty sweet. These days I'm actually having like half an ounce of banana, so it's really up to you. Your taste buds will definitely change. This day I had 2 ounces of banana, and then 4 ounces of blueberries. And then I just cover the oats with just enough water, and then I microwave for 4 minutes. And then I add some milk on top of that when I'm done. And that is my breakfast. And I have not gotten sick of this in the whole 3 years that I've been doing Bright Line Eating. This has been my standard breakfast. All right, so today's lunch is spaghetti and meatballs. And for the spaghetti, I'm using spaghetti squash. So this makes it really filling because there's a lot of volume to this lunch. So for my lunches, I typically don't do a fruit. So I just add an additional 6 ounces of vegetables. And then with marinara sauce, you get an extra 2 ounces, which is considered a condiment. So for this lunch, I've got some steamed broccoli that I'm also going to add in. And then I'll just do a total of 12 ounces of vegetables plus an extra 2 ounces of marinara sauce. So a total of 14 ounces technically of vegetables. And then for the meatballs, quote unquote meatballs, I actually use the Gardein Italian style meatballs. Well, it doesn't say Italian on the package, but they taste like Italian style. And they're really delicious. And I just weigh out 4 ounces of those. And then I also use a cashew Parmesan cheese that I make at home. And you can see if you pause the video, the instructions on how to make that. And then on my broccoli, I just steam it, and then I'm going to put some garlic salt and then this Pop Zest artisan cheese. It's so delicious. I get it on Amazon. And I can put a link to my Amazon store, and you can find that in my Amazon store if you want to get some of that for yourself. They make a couple different flavors, and they're so delicious. So this is one of my kind of go-to meals. I don't know how many times I've eaten this. I've eaten it so many times, and I really don't get sick of it. I eat this year round. I kind of don't get sick of it. It's a great meal in the summer. It's a great meal in the winter. It's just good all around. Okay, and for dinner, this again is one of my favorites. It is cauliflower fried rice. I'm going to steam the edamame there, And I've got this cauliflower fried rice that just came off the stove. And for the edamame, I just put a little bit of water in the bottom of that bowl there with the frozen edamame and throw it in my microwave for a couple of minutes to steam it. And then I've got some cashew pieces that I just weighed out. And then this chili garlic sauce. It's sugar-free. So if you use sriracha has sugar in it. So this stuff I get on Amazon. I buy it in like 3 packs. I can put a link to my Amazon store down below, like I said earlier. And then if you haven't watched the video on how I make my cauliflower fried rice, I will put it up on the screen now. So be sure to go and watch that, and I will see you in the next video.